Sensors, these connectors what we have to take out, and first is this gearbox part, and when I press that up and then pull out, press this up, and now this opens, and then this similar connector in here, that one in this up area. I have to remove this connector also in here inside and pull out. Okay, and now these connectors are free. Good. Then we can remove in this fuse box these cables so that we have 8mm socket, and we open 2 of holes in here in that way, and then these connectors, and there are really 2 small screws in here, and now this cable slot in that area, it is now free, and there are really two these special bolts, and I can insert these bolts back in this position in the fuse box, and I little bit rotate this in this way. Good. And now this cable is really free in that area. When we look, now this cable, first this plus cable, this area is free. Excellent. And then we can go forward. Then we need this second big cable slot in that area. There are 2 cables, and let's go to look at how I disconnect those. These cables are, first one is in here. When I press this side, I can release this connector, and then the second is bigger one, and I have to little bit, there is this slot, and this connector we have to go to look that closer. And then we have in here this special, and I take the fuse box away, we can see better. There is a special, more complex this connector what we have to open. Also that one, and I open that next. It takes a little bit more time. And this connector opens so that we have to bend these sides and then move this white switch in here in away, that one. Sides are like locking pin, locking plate, and then we can open this final, that trigger in here, this one, and it opens soon. I work a little bit more. Okay, and then when we have this hook tool, we can pull out this final clip in that way, and then this part, this connector opens nicely in that way. Okay, good. And now connector is free. We can, and this is important. Okay, and now when these connectors are free, we can install this all engine cables in their inner area in here. Excellent. And now electric cables in that area is fine. Great.